So guys, I have a Kenworth here with an automatic transmission with an Eaton. So what I want to do is I want to show you how to pull a code off the dash. So I want to show you guys how to turn the keys and cycle it, and then I'll show you where the code will come up on the dash. So when you need help, when you call, I ask you what the code is. This is gonna help you how to pull that code off that dash, so I have an idea what's going on with your automatic transmission. So we're in this Kenworth T680 with an automatic Eaton transmission. This one has a fault code, and I wanna show you guys what it would show on the dash. So you'll see neutral and then an F for a fault right here on the dash. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cycle the key 4 times, and by the 4th click, you should be in an on position, and then a code will display, a number. Usually it's always gonna start with an 88. That's not the code, but at 88, you can still give it to me, but it's just telling you that it's going through its cycle. Then the other numbers will show up, you start writing them down, and then you can call your mechanic or call myself, and we will help you to figure out what's going on with your automatic transmission. So what you're gonna do is, when you have it in the on position, you're gonna start clicking 4 times, on and off, and on the 4th one, you should be back in the on position, and then numbers will start appearing on the dash. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Once it does that, you're gonna hear some clicking. 88 already appears, as we can see. And then on this dash, we have a code 25. So if that's the only code I have, that may be it. If there's other codes that will constantly show up, just write them down. So this one's a code 25, which I already looked at it. This one's a input speed sensor on the shaft on top of the tranny. Other than that, this is the best way to help you to avoid the shop, to diagnose it. You may still have to end up going to the shop, but at least you have an idea of what's going on with your truck. If you need any help with anything else, always feel free to give us a call at LRM Leasing. Thank you.